Hello, we're going to look at the phase 5 sounds now, and in phase 5 children start to learn different ways of spelling the sounds that they've learned in phase 2 and phase 3. So sometimes there can be 3 or more ways of spelling the same sound, but the children, the more that they read, the more they'll get used to the different ways of writing and saying the sound. A. Notice with this one that there's a line in between the A and the E, and that line will be replaced by a consonant when it's in a word. We sometimes call this the split E. A. Oo. Oo. Oi. O. Ow. O. I. Oo. E. E. A. Or and or again.